Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tense and release facial muscles. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'm going to say the title and the topic for this video one last time, just because I truly believe that it's so important to just clearly portray to you what the video will be about. So for the last time, I promise, just for complete clarity, in this specific video, I will be showing you and telling you how to tense and release facial muscles, and this will be an easy tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So basically, if you want to tense and release your facial muscles, it's pretty easy to do. The good thing is you are already basically trained to do this through your facial expressions. So whenever you smile, or whenever you are angry, or whenever you are shocked, right? Or whenever you are disappointed or sad, right? You're moving your facial muscles. So you already know how to have control over your facial muscles thanks to your facial expressions. So how do you tense and release those facial muscles? Well, releasing them is really easy. You're just going to sort of release them and let go. But tensing them up is a little bit more difficult. It's still easy to do, but it's the most difficult part of this process. So I'll show you how to tense them up. Now you're going to focus on a few key areas. The first area is your lips. Okay, the next area is going to be your cheek area, and then we're going to do sort of our eye area over here. Okay, and there are obviously other facial muscles that you can tense up, but we're going to focus just on those. I'm going to lift my hat up a little bit over here. Shout out, at least at the time of me filming this, I release my videos. I film them in bulk and I schedule them out. So when you see this, it's going to be much later than me filming it. I'm filming this at the beginning of February. When you see this, it's going to be much later. But shout out to my son's hockey team. Represent! Represent! Anyways, if you are from Toronto or Etobicoke and you know this hockey team, represent. That's right. Anyways, my son used to wear this hat, and then he got another hat with the team name and his number on it. So then he told me, "Dad, you can have this hat. It's yours." I was like, "Oh, thank you." But in my head, I was like, my wife and I bought all the hats anyways, so they're all ours to begin with. But thank you for giving it to me, son. Anyways, I wear it like a lot now. But back to the actual video. Back to the actual video. Anyways, essentially, what you're going to be doing is starting off with your lips. You're going to tense them together, just like that. Okay? Squeeze them together, just like that. Next, after your lips, you're going to bring your cheeks and tense them like this. Tense them in. Just flex them inwards. So lips and then cheeks. Here's the lips and then the cheeks. And you can tell you're flexing your cheeks and you're tensing your cheeks because they're soft now, but when I tense them up, I can feel the muscles over here. They become much harder over here. Okay? And once you do your lips and your cheeks, the last thing you're going to do is your eyes and your eye area, which is just going to be like this. Just kind of like squint them. You don't have to close them all the way. Just squint them and hold them there. And we're going to do all those together. And once I tense all those up, you're going to see me just release those muscles. So this is what it's going to look like when I tense those muscles up and then release them, okay? Watch and try it out as well, okay? I'll take my glasses off for the last one. And that's basically it. Now, there are many reasons why you might want to be tensing and releasing your facial muscles, and that's completely up to you, your reasoning, but that's how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but that's literally it. I've showed you how to do it. I've explained it, and all you have to do is try it out, and hopefully it works for you. But that's it. I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.